Hi, welcome to my apartment, and this is my home. I am a relatively recent grad. I work in management consulting and I live in San Francisco. In terms of my design style, I would definitely say I love more mid-century modern vibes. I love rustic, more vintage looking earthy tones like greens and browns. I also like beige color palettes to really bring the space together. Well, obviously, first and foremost, I work from home, so it's definitely important for me to have a space where I could have a desk and be professional and also have that kind of divided away from my personal life. I also enjoy cooking a lot, and I appreciate the fact that the kitchen is very much open and clean. I think home really is just a space where I can relax and do all the things I want to do. Home is just where I can be myself.